Hello, my name is Karen Smith and I'm the owner and one of the electricians at Bright Spark Electrical Services. Today's little video is about video doorbells. In the norm, we're installing the Ring doorbells or the Google doorbells. They come in various guises and depends on what you have purchased as to how they will work. The most simplest ones are the ones which have a built-in battery which need to be recharged. So it's a matter of you purchasing the doorbell push, making sure it's charged up from a small USB plug in the bottom, charge it up, and that continues to run for a number of weeks. The next version is the type which are hardwired in. So it's the same looking video doorbell, whether it's Nest or Google, but we install it with a power lead going into it. The power leads are quite simple. It's a transformer unit, a bit like Christmas lights, and there's a little lead coming from that, and we can, from a socket outlet, plug the transformer in down to the skirting board or around the door frames, and then pass the cables by drilling a hole through the wall out to your front door frame. Quite often we recommend that you get the type where there is a little wedge thing, a bit like a piece of brie, and technical, and it will slant the video doorbell round to the central position at the front door, although the cameras do cover a wide shot anyhow, but it does deter from people coming up to next door or narrow passageways. Take a look through the video and we can show you a little bit more of what we do and the type of installations we're carrying out on this. Thank you for watching.
What a lovely day for tie-dye socks and a pair of mismatched shoes. You're pretty bold with your feet and pretty off with your beat in life, and all you do or don't. You're ever cool when things go wrong. Let's sing your favorite song. According to me, first you sow, then you reap. Hey, let go to be free. Let's dance, whatever music's playing. Along the road, let's take it. According to me, I can groove, you can flow. Give a voice to our souls out loud. The moment's for the taking. The joy is in the making. You follow with a silly grin. I shout a big thank you. You're like a kick in the shin that jolts a giant within to wake my heart to.
Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help to you and will be of further interest. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that notification bell to keep updated with more videos which we release.